Rohit, what do you believe? Do you believe there should be reservation on the basis of caste?
See, reservation
especially in a state like Maharashtra,
See,
because if you look at the current context, we're looking at reservation over 70%. There's a lot of youth out there who's going to be looking at a young leader like you and just say, what about merit? What about us?
See, reservation is important. It's important for education. It's important for job and all. But what I feel is, along with reservation, we also have to work on policies. Like, for example, why, like from when a child is in school, from there, like for example, uniform. Few students get uniform, few don't get uniform. So from there, the child starts thinking, why that child has got uniform and I don't get it. So what I feel is, from school time, we have to see that everyone gets, like for example, in school, or whether in case of education also, there also, if government takes a call, say for example, professional courses, if government does the funding of professional courses in Maharashtra, it will require about 11,500 crores. If education today, to become an engineer, you need 6 to 7 lakhs. So, but if government takes care of education, what I feel is, today, along with caste-based reservation, we also need certain support for education, and plus, today, why caste-based reservation has become important reason is, like for example, agrarian crises are there in Maharashtra. So now people from agriculture, or the people who are doing agriculture, or their children, they feel if I get a reservation, then maybe in future I would get jobs. So today job is a problem.